Hello everyone. In this video we will create a hero section with Avada theme, and the most important thing is that we are not going to use many stuff, so we are just using a few simple images and few simple steps. By doing that we'll create a good hero section, and the end product will be this is our hero section, and we'll create with the Avada theme. And after the hero section there would be a next section as featured in. So how we'll create this one, and by using a simple steps, and let's proceed to the dashboard. And for this we'll create a new page. Click add new page, and let's give it a name, hero section. And while at the right hand side you can see the page attributes, I'll select the 100% width as a template and hit publish. After this, just click on the Avada Live and it will take us to the Avada page builder. So here you can see the complete empty page, and I haven't used the logo and menu because we're just focusing on the hero section. So for this, now we'll add a container, hit container, and for this we are going to use two columns here. And in the first column we'll use text and button, and in the second column we'll use image. So you can see there are two columns, and the column that at the right hand side will add an image here. Just click add element, and you can see there are many elements to be used, but we are using an image element. So just write image in the search bar, and you can see the image, and from here you can add and upload image. So I have already uploaded all the images to be used in this hero section. You can upload when you adding image, or you can upload before going to create a hero section. It's up to you. So after this, please keep in mind while uploading you can see attachment display setting in the Avada theme, and you have to select the full size of the image. After selecting this one and checking and confirming it, just click. You can see our image is added, but it is not well formatted, but we'll format it and make it styling exactly same as this hero section. So our image is added. Let's add text. For this, when you click and add element, so here we will add a title. Just write title, hit, and I'll copy text from this, paste here, and after that there is another title, and this is for the text body and soul. And when you hover over this edit option, you can see here is an option clone element. You can clone element easily without creating it from the scratch. Just clone element and paste. So I am just adding here the text here. I'll format it later on. And after this we have the text. So for this text I'll add text block. So just write text, and here is the text block, and just copy the content. And let's add, after that we have a button. So just click add an element and write button into the search bar, and we'll find a button. Okay, we have added all our stuffs, and let's styling it. So first of all, you can see there is a complete refreshing, and it has a unique font family. So when you go into design and come into typography, just write Ellison and just click. You can see the styling is changed and become the same, and change the font size. 120 pixel is the best. After that, now you can add the color. So as you can see, there are many tools, Google Chrome extension you can use, and when you click here on this, and you can pick any color from any website. So I have just picked the color, and I'll give the font color. Okay, that's great. So come to the next. While click on it on its edit option and go to the design. I'll make it heading to H2, and family is Adamina. Okay, and font size, let's let's keep it default setting, it's good. And after this, we have the text, so let's keep it simple as it is. And after this we'll come to the button and just click here, and this is the button text. I'll make it more and for, let's make it big, more information. And when you go into this design of the button, from here you can choose your designing. So button style, choose custom. From custom you can design your own, you can custom its font color and other things accordingly. So I'll give the same color. After that, when you come down, here is a section called padding. I'll give 20 top, 24 right, bottom 20, and left 25. Okay, that's great. And when you'll come, so let's give the font family as Adamina. Okay, great. And after this, you can use icon on the button. So I'll use this one, and there is an also option the position of the icon, whether you are going to make it left or right, but I'm going to make it right. So after doing this, it's our this section is almost done. So let's change the color of this text. So when you'll click this one and come the font section, okay, sorry, so let's give any color you want, but okay, I'm keeping related to the green. Okay, that's great. And when you'll click on edit of the button, and let's give it margin top, it should be 20. Okay, margin top 20. Okay, after doing this, let's choose the color of this text, and I'm choosing this color and give it to the hover color of the button. Okay, and as far as text are considered, let's give 18 pixel, sorry, 18 pixel. Okay, when I put over, okay, it looks good. Okay, and save it. So let's have a preview of the hero section. Okay, that's great. Now we need to make a little bit similar image. For this, go to the column options and design, and we'll come to the padding of the column. Let's give, okay, 0 to the top and 70 to the right, and bottom 5 and 70 to the right. Okay, let's give it 90 to the right. Now it's look more better. Click save. Let's have a preview. Okay, that's look great. And when you go to this column options, and let's give the left margin 40. Let's have a preview again. Okay, it's look great. So almost we are done. We're just going to add the color at the background. So just click the edit options of the container and go to background options and choose this color, any color you want. I have choosing this one. After choosing this one, sorry, in gradient color. Okay, after choosing the gradient color, only the start color, you can choose the position from here and go to the gradient type radial. Okay, so after choosing this one, the radial direction should be left bottom. Now you can see, you can choose from here, and or we can choose left, center, and choose this one. Okay, let's make color so the text should show visibly. Okay, and okay, from here you can choose your color that looks more beautiful. After doing this, just click save and let's have a preview again. Okay, that's great. You can see are almost the same hero section is created. You can edit information as per the requirement. So after doing this, let's proceed to the second option, that is as featured in. So this is a little bit typical, so let's how we can make it. So for this we have to add a new container and the one column, and after this I'll add a title, and in title I'll as featured in, and when you go to the design, make it center, and let's have h2 and font family Allison. Okay, okay, it's look good now. After this you can see there is a small divider here, so I'm going to use this one. Just click here and write divider into the search bar. Separator, sorry, separator, and you can see new two lines have been added. So let's edit it. When you'll go come to the style, just click here and choose single border solid. Okay, when then come to the design, we can choose its a size. So separator width should be, let's make it 50, and border size should be 3. Okay, it looks great. And after this we have to choose the color. So the color of this will go give the color that we provided to this section. Copy here and come to this design, and here you go. So you can see a separator is added, and I think border size 2 would be okay, and let's give it a -10 margin. Okay, it's look good now. After this you can see there are a few images there as featured in, so I have just taken the demo images. You can take your own and put it here. So for this section we are going to use image carousel. So just click add element and search image. You can see there are 4 options here, and you will choose image carousel. And after this there are many options to choose images. You can add one by one or choose in a bulk. So I'll choose as a bulk because I have uploaded all the images to the WordPress. So I'll just click add bulk and choose the images from here. Insert. all the images are added. So how you can edit this section, these images? Just go to this general tab, and picture size fixed, because in auto, because if you are adding too many images, all images would have their own size. It would make a format a little bit error, so make it fixed. After this, autoplay yes, and you can space the columns. So I think 15 would be good. And after this, you can see the border option is yes. Just choose no, and there will be no border on the images. You can choose as per your requirement, but I'm choosing yes because it make them a little bit more visible. So after doing this, just save button, and let's have a preview. You can see we have this section and it looks same as this one, and almost all the uh, sections are added. You can see there are two sections. I haven't provided margin space from to these two sections because these two sections are interrelated, so that's why I haven't given a more space to this. So you can see our hero section is almost created to this one. So I hope you have learned a lot of things. If you have any question, please comments into the comment section of this video. I'll answer if you have any query. Thank you so much.